Welcome to the Central School of English Stage 8 video series. In this video, we will revise the use of used to plus the infinitive of a main verb to speak about repeated actions in the past. We will also practice using the structures to get used to and to be used to. In English, we use the verb used to plus the infinitive of a main verb to speak about the past. When we use this structure, we communicate a repeated action in the past that we no longer do today. For example, I used to ski. In this sentence, the speaker is communicating that he skied in the past, but he does not ski today. I used to play football on Saturdays. In this sentence, the speaker is communicating that he played football in the past, however, he does not play football today. We use the structure to get used to plus a noun to communicate the idea that there is something that we find a little strange. However, even though we still find this strange, we are starting to become accustomed to it. For example, if you go on holiday to a very hot country, during the first days of your visit, the temperature will be new for you. During this time, you can say that you are getting used to the heat of the country. If you start a new class in school, during the first days of your studies, the class may seem a little strange. You do not know your new teacher or the students in the class. Perhaps the class is a little difficult. During these first days, you can say that you are getting used to the new class. When an employee starts a new job, it is often strange in the beginning. There are a lot of new duties to learn. During these first days in the office, a new employee might say that they are getting used to their new job. The structure to be used to plus a noun communicates the idea that something was strange in the beginning. However, now the speaker has become accustomed to the new situation, and this is no longer strange. For example, if you found studying English a little strange at the beginning, but you do not find it strange today, you can say, I am used to studying English. If you thought that the weather in Ireland was very strange when you first arrived, but now you do not think it is strange, you can say, I am used to Irish weather. In this video, we have revised how to use the verb used to plus the infinitive of a main verb to speak about repeated actions in the past that are no longer true today. We have also learned that we use the structure to get used to plus a noun to communicate that we find someone or something a little strange. However, the structure communicates that we are starting to become accustomed to this person or thing. Finally, we learned that we use the structure to be used to plus a noun to communicate that we thought someone or something was a little strange in the beginning. However, this structure communicates that we no longer find this person or thing strange. We are accustomed to it. This video was brought to you by the Central School of English, an English school in Dublin. For more lessons, go to centralschool.ie.